Hello my friends, and welcome back to an unboxing video with Scott. So today we're checking out these computer speakers. So our laptop speakers are a little dull, so we definitely need an upgrade. Let's go ahead and show you guys what's inside the box. Alright guys, they give you a little manual. Alright, so here are the speakers. Nice, sleek design. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Looks like for the light, it's just tap sensor at the top. On the back, you have these sub. That's pretty cool. It's actually really neat. The design. 2-year extended warranty. So yeah, they're really nice. We're gonna go ahead. They do give you the AUX to AUX cable and also USB power cable. So you just plug it into your USB port for power. Just to demonstrate for you guys here, we're gonna plug it in. Ooh, that's cool. Alright guys, on the side here you have a mode. You have power mode, music. So for the power, you press and hold to turn it on, and you got these lights. Does look like that they can go with Bluetooth as well, so you can have wireless mode if you want. Guys, by pressing mode, it switches to Bluetooth. Now we're gonna wait and connect to the speakers. All right, guys, let's go ahead and test out the volume. All right. Okay, so turn mode.
Hey kid,
Base mode.
let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love.
So you got color settings at the top.
The things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test.
You can change the setup.
If only I could go back in time.
Pretty
I'd tell
sweet.
myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits. Don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds. People can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with
So yeah, a couple of light settings, which is pretty awesome. I think this one's one of my favorite.
they'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your
So even with the AUX, even with it being turned up the whole way, it's not super loud. So yeah, that's a little disappointing. I don't know why it's loud enough, but it's not like you can really turn it up a lot. So under settings, yeah, I mean, we got our phone maxed out. So I'm not sure why you can't turn it up more.
Balance mode.
I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think
Yeah, both modes are.
something in
Base mode.
Nor to swear a void is forming in the
Balance mode. Base mode.
you better pray that I don't see your face at that I go, I know you hate that I've been doing, not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that.
Alright guys, so my final thoughts on the speakers. The colored lights are really awesome. Like, that is pretty sweet. I love the different, setups that you guys can do with them. But there is a negative. There's a big downfall. Now, the audio is loud enough that, you know, it's not going to be an issue. And maybe on a computer or laptop, it's louder. But for some reason, when you have it connected with your phone, it's just, even with your phone maxed out volume, and even with this turned the whole way, it's not as loud as I would like it to be. You know, I want to be able to really turn it up loud. I assume they limit how high you can set the volume because the speakers would probably distort if you go any louder. So they kind of basically put a limit on it, a limiter on the volume, which is a little disappointing. Because, you know, I would love to be able just to turn it up the whole way and just boom, like just be really loud for specific songs. But this is as loud as it gets.
So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you on.
It's loud enough, you know, don't get me wrong. It's just, you know, sometimes you just want to jam out. You want to be able to put it louder. So that's probably the only downfall. The color is awesome. They're nice looking speakers, you know, with the settings you can do with the speakers. So I think my final review would be a 4.1 star out of a 5-star. That's my personal opinion. I think if you could turn the volume up just, you know, a couple more notches more, I think I would have easily given this a 5-star, just because the color lights are fantastic. I mean, even in the daytime, they look fantastic. So that's just, you know, if you could just turn it up a little bit, maybe the manufacturer would see this video and do that. Because, you know, all you gotta do is just enough, because people like to have music loud sometimes. So that's just my thoughts. I'm actually going to go test it out on a laptop after, you know, off camera, just quickly to see. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. So I tested it on the laptop. It was a little bit louder on the laptop, but, you know, still not much difference. So I still keep my rating at 4.1, which is still very high. And basically, it's getting that high because it's sleek, it's stylish, the colored lights are fantastic. It is enough volume. You know, you're not going to be rocking out too much with, you know, the volume, but it is suffice enough for what most people need, you know, will want the volume to be at. So that's my personal opinion. So see you guys on the next one.